Motivation, inspiration, and hope. Motivation, because of the DICT, sila ang nag-initiate nga magkaroon na Canva Scholarship through their program, which is Digital Jobs PH, nga nag-motivate sa aton to enroll, and especially those who are in the PWD sector. So, pag-register natin, we are looking forward to something. So we are motivated for that. And we are very thankful to our DICT family. Tanan sila hindi mo pag-isa-isa. Inspiration. Inspiration is Miss Elisa. Why we are inspired? As what she told us before, siya man nag-start from the scratch, which is, wala man siya talent, because I always complain to her, Miss, wala kuya talent, wala kuya idea sa talent ever since. But I realized and I was inspired by her nga ang talent is hindi lang po innate, but at the same time, you can learn. We learn talent. Kung gusto mo maka-learn kita talent. So, in that matter, our inspiration is of course Miss Elisa of what she has done to us, and at the same time, kung anong na-agenda. And the last one is hope. Because we are, most of us here is from the PWD sector. So, as what Ms. Sadi mentioned, pag PWD ka, sometimes you feel useless. Whether you like it or not, PWDs, most of the people, ginalook down ang mga PWD. Diba? We are aware of that. But because of the teachings of Miss Elisa, and at the same time, because of the help of the ICT family, they gave us hope na ay kaya tagali, and we can earn on our own without biskan mo ay kita iniskilahan, even some of us is not really computer literate. But then, sa patience nanda, tabuligan kita nanda, amat-amat. And at the same time, I'm happy because I belong to this batch, and the batch help one another para lang ma-achieve, and we were able to gain 100%. So, as what that is the three things that comes into my mind when they are giving their speeches. That's why nag-volunteer din ako. Motivation, inspiration, and hope. And then, to everyone, as what Ms. Sarah said, this is not the end, but a beginning. Kung napudlayan kamo mangita client, I think let's start from amat-amat lang. Not all of us will go into online, graphic designing online, but most of us, since we do have a knowledge, like pwede kita like sa ibang nga naka-gain doon ka client, pwede kita nga mag-design sa mga tarpaulin or mga t-shirt. In that way, magamit natin or ma-utilize natin kung ano ang na-learn natin diya. Like for me, actually I did not pursue the graphic design path, but I pursue on the different path, which is virtual assistant, and thankfully I was hired already. So okay lang kung hindi ako, okay lang kung wala akong naka-sales, pero at least na-achieve ko kung ano yung goal ko. So that will also motivate you. Bisan maay kita naka-sales to subong, but you have already foresee, or I think you have already know kung anong gusto nyo, saan na-learn nyo this. So you have to use it and you have to utilize it. Okay? Thank you.